Hello, wonderful people. Thank you for joining me this morning, this afternoon, this night, depending on the time and location you are watching this video from. I remain your friend and business partner, Michael Ilo, aka Angel Mike. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to transfer wallets from one member to another, or how to transfer wallet from one of your accounts to another account for registration purposes. This is very simple, very straight. And in this video, you will learn exactly how to do this. All right, let's continue. To transfer wallets from one account to another account, you go to wallets. Remember, if you're using a mobile phone, you need to click on these three lines. Then you see this menu. Upon seeing this menu, you click on wallet. When you click on wallet, you will see transfer. Then you will see transfer history. Remember, I told you in the previous video that the transfer history will show you all the transfers you've made in the past. All right, but for this video, we're looking at how you can make a transfer. So you click on transfer. When you click on transfer, then you enter the sponsor ID. In other words, the ID or the user ID of the member you want to transfer wallets to. So let's assume I want to transfer wallet to Ade Umar, or I want to transfer wallet to anybody, whatever the username of the person is. So let me use Ade Umar, or let me use Shalom Shop. So if I'm using Shalom Shop, I put the user ID, then I put the amount. Let's say I'm transferring $5 or $1. Then I put the transaction password, okay? You know your transaction password is there in your back office. Every registered member has this password or security key. Then you click on submit. Once you click on submit, the amount you have specified will move straight to the user. So you can see balance transfer success. So $1 has been moved from my account, Angel Mike, to Shalom Shop. This is exactly how to transfer wallet from your registration wallet to another user's registration wallet. I believe you find value in this video. And if you do, kindly do us a favor by subscribing to this channel. And then remember to click the notification bell so that you can get notified each time we upload a new video. We are here to serve you. Your success is our pride. When you are successful, we are happy. Thank you for watching this video. See you in our next video. Bye.